Hello everyone, welcome to Aakash Knowledge Nuggets. I'm your host Kapil. In the last episode we discussed about the tips and strategies of math. In this episode, we are having a special guest on the show, Ms. Rupinder Kaur, who is a faculty of Aakash Education Services Limited for Social Science. Welcome madam, it's a pleasure to have you on the show.
Thank you so much, sir.
Madam, it's always said that social science plays a very vital role in NTSE. So, what is your view about it?
Yes, of course. Social science plays a very significant role in both the Stage 1 and Stage 2 papers. As you see that we have 40 questions from social science covering the topics from history, geography, economics and political science. Now, without scoring reasonably well in these 40 questions, it would be quite difficult to score good overall. So, social science plays a very important role.
Madam, how is paper of NTSE Stage II different from NTSE Stage 1?
Yes, the Stage 2 paper is quite different from Stage 1 paper, both in terms of the pattern of questions being asked as well as the difficulty level. We can expect the questions to be quite straightforward in the Stage 1 paper, but the Stage 2 questions are complex comparatively. Now we have questions based on assertion reasoning format, statement form questions are there, map questions are there. In order to answer such type of questions, the student need to have an in-depth knowledge of the topics. Without thorough study, he or she would find difficult in the examination hall. So, a thorough study is a must. Moreover, the students who have prepared only for the state board for Stage 1 paper, they have to go through the entire CBSE syllabus. But yes, with clear focus, understanding and proper planning, even that is possible.
Great madam. If we talk about strategy, what strategies students should frame in their mind when they're preparing for social science?
Okay, if we talk about the strategy to be followed, I would suggest that the very first step should be the detailed analysis of the previous year question papers, because that would give you a clear understanding about what type of questions are being asked. Now, for example, if we look at the previous year question papers, we see that the trend has been that more questions are being asked from the history and geography section as compared to the economics and political science. So the student need to focus more upon the topics from history as well as geography. Now, specifically speaking, if we talk about topics, we see that questions are frequently asked from chapters like Nationalism in India, which is a class 10 chapter. Then we have the rise of nationalism in Europe, French Revolution from class 9. Similarly, if we talk about geography, we have India size and location, physical features of India. So such topics are quite important and students need to find out, analyze that what topics are more important as compared to the other topics so that time management can be properly done. Okay, now once the detailed analysis has been done, the second step is of course the detailed, thorough study of the syllabus. Once the syllabus has been covered, the third step would be test your knowledge, a very important step. Once the syllabus has been covered, students need to solve as many practice papers as much they can. Even solving the previous question papers would help a lot. So that is a very important step.
That's great, madam. Thank you so much for giving your valuable presence in the show and even providing your valuable inputs on how to excel in NTSE Stage II social science paper.
Thank you for having me on the show. All the best, students.
That's the end of this episode of How to Excel in NTSE Stage II in Social Science. Soon we are coming up with the next episode of the tips and strategies to handle maths paper. Till then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Thank you.